Ow! 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 Ow!
So this is the bracket fungi that we found the other day. I've done my research and it's commonly known as the tinder fungus. It's also called the hoof fungus for obvious reasons. And the Latin name or scientific name, part of that actually means tinder. So that's where the name comes from. Good evening everybody and welcome to day 11 of lockdown. Back out once again. Nothing again on camera last night. Gutted, absolutely gutted. Again, I lowered it down to about knee height. It did trigger, the camera did trigger, but whatever triggered it must have been going across the actual camera. So by the time it started recording, whatever it was, had already gone. So tonight I'm going to put it back in the location where we caught it on camera for just the photo, but it was in that same area that I was trying to record in last night. But I'm going to set the camera a lot further back, not to get a really crisp close-up image, just to get it on video, seeing which way it's walking and where it walks. So that's the aim for tonight. We'll see how we get on. It's a lot harder than it looks, this wildlife recording. I've been using this wildlife camera for over a week now with minimal success, but I'm not giving up. But if any of you have had experience of the wildlife camera and you can give me any tips, in particular for trying to catch the fox. There's no deer around here that I know of. There might be, but I've not seen any or seen signs of any. But it's the fox that I'm after. So if you've got any experience of using a wildlife camera, then please give me some feedback. I'd really appreciate that. Funny thing happened this morning. Somebody tried to break in to my apartment. As you will have probably seen at the start of this video, I woke up to hear this bang, bang, bang on the window. Now, because I'm sort of 2 floors up in my apartment, you sometimes get the window cleaner coming round with one of them brushes on a really long pole with the hose pipe. I thought it was that, but it wasn't. When I went into the lounge, looked out the window and I could see this chaffinch jumping up at the window. I think it was trying to catch spiders. And so yeah, that was quite strange. I managed to catch that on film, so at least I've caught some wildlife on film this week. Over the weekend I'm going to go through all the questions that you've been sending, and I'm going to try and answer those and put them into a future video in the next couple of days. So if you've were one of the ones that left a question, then look out for those. And if you weren't one that set a question, then look out for them anyway, because you might learn something. So yeah, I'll be doing that in the next couple of days. So that's where I placed the camera last night, hoping that it would catch something coming this way, that way, or that way. It did trigger, thinking about this area, but didn't capture anything. So I don't know whether whatever it was that triggered it just ran straight across. I don't know. So tonight I'm going to be putting the camera either back on there, pointing that way, because that's where we caught the fox running across, or I could even put it on that post there. There was a tree there not so a few days ago, but it's been broken off and I've seen it used as part of a tree house further down the stream. So I could put it on there as well, which will be a little bit closer to the target. But that up there might be slightly more out of the way. And I do know there's a bit of a dip here, so if I put it there, it's going to be almost level with that bit there. So if I put it on here, where I've had it before, it's going to be aiming down in that direction, just to try and catch it on video rather than just a photo, and see where it walks. So that's what I'm going to try tonight. This one might be a little bit better because it's just that little bit closer to this area here. Now, I might be tempting fate by bringing it closer and reducing the view angle, but I might give it a go on there instead.
Yeah.
Now I must apologise for part of last night's video. When I was editing it, and I was walking down this bridleway, Jesus, blackbird just flown right in front of me, scared the life out of me. No, blackbird isn't that scary, but when it comes out at you like that. Yeah, I noticed that the sky behind me was flashing all over the place. It was obviously the camera was obviously trying to readjust, and the sky kept flickering in the background. I felt like I should have been putting a government health warning on there, so you know, these next images contain flashing images. So yeah, sorry about that. Hopefully the sky tonight isn't doing that. It doesn't seem to be. I don't know if it will look different once I play the video back, but it's quite dull behind me, so hopefully it should be okay. That's definitely the owl. Right, that's it for tonight. Just a quick one. Camera's set. Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe by hitting the icon here or the one down there. And don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. See you later.